Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's recipe is a lovely Andhra dish. It is Gongura Pappu. Now Gongura is otherwise known as Sorrel leaves. I'm sure you can easily find them. So let's get started and check out the ingredients for this dish. So these leaves, they are called sorrel leaves in English. In Telugu we call this Gongura, and in Tamil it's called Pulichakira. So you can either chop the Gongura leaves like this or you can use them as a whole. So first I'm going to pressure cook the dal along with the Gongura. I've taken 250 ml of dal. This is Toor Dal. Add 4 cups of water to cook the dal. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 onions chopped, 2 green chilies slit. I'm going to pound a few cloves of garlic. Finally add the 3/4 bunch of chopped Gongura leaves. Since the Gongura or the sorrel leaves are very sour, the dal takes longer to cook. So pressure cook for about 15 whistles on medium flame. So now the dal is cooked. I'm just going to use this little masher here that I have to mix everything together. Next, season with salt. So next I'm going to temper a few ingredients. For this, take 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now I'm using ghee because the flavor will be really good. If you don't want ghee, you can just use oil. Mustard seeds, half teaspoon. Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon. Red chilies, 2. Crushed garlic, 2 cloves. Next add half teaspoon Asafoetida powder. Turn off the stove and add a few curry leaves. So there you go. It's a very simple dal dish that you can make. If you find these leaves in the market, definitely you should try this. It's a lovely and delicacy. So do try it and you can have it with some ghee and nice steamed rice. You can buy my online Indian cooking classes on 21frames.in/classes.